Did you know that around 3 million people apply for a UK visitor visa every year? Discover what you need to know to be among the successful applicants. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about the UK visitor visa in 2024, from eligibility to application tips. Many potential visitors struggle with the complexities of the visa application process, leading to confusion and delays. Understanding these challenges is crucial for a smooth application experience. We'll break down the visa requirements, documentation needed, application steps, and common pitfalls to avoid. Knowing these details can help streamline your application process and reduce stress. Learn about the most crucial part, proving your intent to return home. This aspect is a game changer for your approval, making it essential to focus on this requirement. To sum up, understanding the application process and preparing the right documents can significantly increase your chances of getting your visa. If this video helped you, hit subscribe for more travel tips and insights.